Hi, it's Victoria at Victoria Gardens, and we're talking about fall color today. And we can't not talk about the grasses in the fall color. This is Pennisetum. The variety is Redhead. It does look like it's as tall as me, but it's not. It's just sitting up on this cart. So this Redhead is really only like 3 feet tall. Really fabulous, easy to grow plant, full sun. Unfortunately, a lot of grasses don't go in the shade. And we leave it up all winter because the birds will come to the seed heads. And that's something that most gardeners would like, more birds in their garden and be able to feed them naturally. This is kind of a fabulous plant. Wonderful texture, wonderful movement. Another one that I love so much is this little blue stem. These blue stems have definitely become my favorite. There's a bunch of different varieties. This one is, camellia. Chameleon. Sorry. Jeff helping me out here. So this has changed through the season with its colors. Now it's quite purple, but when it first came into the nursery, it was, if you look inside the detail here, it was this green and white and so beautiful. Very diminutive in that it stays in its nice tight clump. It will hold up through the winter beautifully. This is one of the plants you see in the meadows through the winter when everything else is kind of beat down with the snow. This guy will still be standing up. Another grass